central Manchester for what I'm sure you'll agree is going to be one of the cards of the year. We've got some sensational fights at the top of the bill, 3 real quality fights, pick-em fights. You'll have your idea about which way they're going to go. I quite honestly do not know. All I know is that we're going to have a sensational night of entertainment. We're going to be talking to some of the big names involved in the show before too long. Steve Bunce is going to be chatting to some of the people involved. We've got the main event weighing in around about 2 o'clock, but we need to get going straight away with our undercard weigh-in. This is for the non-televised section of the show, and introducing, this is unusual, me introducing the Master of Ceremonies, all the way from America, Thomas Treiber.
All right, thank you very much. Let's hear it for Mr. John Rowling. Well, good afternoon and welcome to the official weigh-in as we get set for a great night of World Championship Boxing tomorrow night at Manchester Arena. It is all being brought to you by Frank Warren on behalf of Queensberry Promotions, along with their great sponsors, 32 Red and Foot Asylum. And if you can't join us at the arena, you can watch it live on BT Sport Box Office and to our friends in the United States on ESPN+. Well, as John said, we are going to begin the weigh-in process with our undercard participants. We will first welcome to the scale both of these combatants competing in a 6-round contest. It's in the flyweight division. We will welcome to the scale first from Darlington. 1 win, 4 defeats. Let's welcome Adam Hitchinson.
I'm a Liverpool dad. When I see you from across the room, you had your eyes on me, I had my eyes on you. We went to the bar for a time to look up. You gave me your number, and you took my number. When I see you from across the room, you had your eyes on me, I had my eyes on you. We went to the bar for a time to look up.
8 stone, 5 pounds, 9 ounces. And now we will welcome to the scale his opponent tomorrow night from Chigwell, undefeated with 3 wins. 1 of his 3 wins comes by way of knockout. Let's welcome Triple H, Horny Harvey Horn. Eight stone, 5 pounds, 13 ounces. We now continue the weigh-in process with 2 participants competing tomorrow night in a 6-round international cruiserweight contest. First to the scale from Ozmek, Czech Republic. 13 wins, 32 defeats, 2 wins by knockout. Let's welcome Yuri Savachina. Stone, 5 pounds, 8 ounces. Next to the scale from right here, Manchester, undefeated with 14 wins. 7 of his 14 wins come by way of knockout. Let's welcome Jack Massey. 14 stone, 3 pounds. Our next 2 combatants to the scale, competing tomorrow night in a 6-round international middleweight contest. We welcome first from Minsk, Poland. 50 wins, 20 defeats, 2 draws, 22 wins come by knockout. Let's welcome Yatskevich Yidi, Rafal Yatskevich. "11 stone, 9 pounds, 3 ounces for Rafal Yatskevich. Now to the scale from Darlington, undefeated with 7 wins, 1 draw, 5 of his 7 wins by knockout. Let's welcome Troy Trojan Williamson. "11 stone, 6 pounds, 1 ounce. Our next 2 combatants to the scale, competing tomorrow night in a scheduled 6-round international light heavyweight contest. First, we welcome from Barcelona, Spain. 10 wins, 9 defeats, 2 draws, 4 wins by knockout. Let's welcome Emmanuel Fezou. "12 stone, 5 pounds, 4 ounces. Now to the scale from Moston, undefeated with 12 wins, 9 come by knockout. Let's welcome Lyndon King Arthur. "12 stone, 9 pounds, 12 ounces. Our next 2 combatants to the scale, competing tomorrow night in a 6-round super lightweight contest. First to the scale from Stockport, 4 wins, 73 defeats with 2 draws. Here is Jamie Devil Tail Quinn. "10 stone, 1 pound, 3 ounces. Next to the scale, his opponent tomorrow night from Liverpool, England. Undefeated with 9 wins. 7 of his 9 wins come by way of knockout. Let's welcome Super Sam Maxwell. "10 stone, 2 pounds, 12 ounces. Our next 2 combatants to the scale, competing tomorrow night in a 6-round international flyweight contest. First, he comes to us from Accra, Ghana. 31 wins, 18 defeats, 1 draw, 22 wins come by knockout. Let's welcome Isaac Quay. "8 stone, 5 pounds, 13 ounces. Next to the scale, he comes to us from Belfast, Northern Ireland. His professional record, 5 wins, just 1 defeat, 1 win by knockout. He is a 3-time Olympian. Let's welcome Paddy the Leprechaun Barnes. "8 stone, 10 ounces. All right, we now continue. These two competing tomorrow night in a scheduled 8-round contest. We will welcome to the scale first from Accra, Ghana. 32 wins, 13 defeats, 25 of his 32 wins come by knockout. Let's welcome Charles Crusader Adamu. 12 stone, 5 pounds, 3 ounces for Adamu. Now we welcome to the scale from Hatfield, undefeated with 26 wins, 12 come by way of knockout. He is the former undefeated WBO middleweight champion of the world, Billy Joe Saunders. 12 stone, 10 pounds, 8 ounces. Well, this does conclude the undercard weigh-in process. We will continue.